Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss with you about the last topic of unit is algae causing biological disturbance. Algae is not only play beneficial roles but also play some harmful roles in aquatic condition. As we studied in last topic of nostoc that algae is help in fixation of nitrogen. That is the beneficial role of algae. But algae does not play only beneficial role but also play harmful role in aquatic habitat. The harmful activity of algae affect men directly or indirectly. This harmful role is affect us directly or indirectly. Harmful roles of algae. Luxuriant growth of planktonic algae in ponds and lakes is called water bloom or water flower. Because of the development of water bloom or water flower, water becomes green or bluish green in color. The important algae found in water blooms include nostoc, Oxytolaria, Enabina, and Rivularia. Luxuriant growth means rich growth of planktonic algae. Planktonic algae suggests that microscopic plants that live in every drop of water. As you can see, there is the luxuriant growth of algae is present in this river. This algae is microscopic algae that is present in every drop of that water. What kind of water? Ponds and lakes. The water is tangent water. That means the water does not flowing. Tangent water. This is called water bloom or water flower. Because of the development of water bloom, water becomes green or bluish green in color. Because the presence of algae, water becomes bluish or uh, green in color. In this water bloom, main algae are found that is nostoc, oscillatoria, enabina and rivularia. Water bloom increased acidity of water. As growth of algae is increased in water, this increase acidity of water. As a result, water becomes corrosive on metallic pipes and concretes. Water becomes contaminate. Corrosive means contaminate on metallic pipes. The corrosive, the other meaning of corrosive is rust. We can say काट लागे on metallic pipes and concretes. The water become abnormal in taste and quality. Water becomes abnormal in taste and quality. The water in which bloom occurs is not suitable for drinking, bathing, swimming, and fishing. Blue-green algae cause depletion of oxygen in water during night by using dissolved oxygen for the respiration. As we all know that plants are uh, plants takes carbon dioxide in respiration in daytime and oxygen in nighttime. As blue-green algae is having rich growth on water, it causes depletion. Depletion means low oxygen condition. Low oxygen condition in water during night time because on night period plant takes oxygen in respiration. So dissolved oxygen is automatically become less in water. So it causes depletion of oxygen during night time. The depletion of oxygen causes death of fishes and other animals living in water. This you can see here. The depletion there is here is rich growth of algae, and in this water, oxygen level become low at night time. It causes death of fishes and other animals which is living in this water. As a result of death and decay of this algae, the dead organic matter settle at the bottom of water body. This organic matter contains mucilaginous substance also. Hence, decomposition decomposing bacteria grow well and decompose the organic matter into simple substances. This microbial gives bad odor to the water. As a result, first the oxygen is less in water. That is the reason to that is the reason to death of fishes and other organism that is present in water. As a result, the death and decay of that organism, these the organism which is dead and it settled down in the water, જે ઓર્ગેનિઝમ છે એ પાણીની અંદર ઓક્સિજનની કમીને લીધે એની ડેથ થઈ ગઈ છે. એ જે બધા ઓર્ગેનિઝમ છે એ પાણીની નીચેના ભાગમાં સેટલ થાય એટલે એ ડેથ થઈ ગઈ છે એટલે પાણીના નીચેના ભાગમાં સેટલ થાય અને એની અંદર જે ઓર્ગેનિઝમ છે એની અંદર મ્યુસિલેજિનસ સબસ્ટન્સ હોય. That mucilaginous substance is best for the growth of bacteria. બેક્ટેરિયાને ગ્રોથ કરવા માટે મ્યુસિલેજિનસ સબસ્ટન્સ રિક્વાયર છે. એટલા માટે બેક્ટેરિયાનો ગ્રોથ છે એ જગ્યાએ બહુ સારી રીતે થાય અને જે બેક્ટેરિયા છે એ જે ડેડ ઓર્ગેનિક મેટર છે એનું ડીકમ્પોઝિંગ કરે અને ડીકમ્પોઝિંગ કરી અને એને સિમ્પલ ઓર્ગેનિક સબસ્ટન્સમાં ફેરવે. એન્ડ ધીસ growth of this microbial give bad odor to that water. આ જે માઇક્રો ઓર્ગેનિઝમ છે બેક્ટેરિયા છે એ જે ગ્રો થાય છે પાણીમાં એ પાણીમાં gives bad odor to the water. Algae such as Primnicium and Gymnodium produce toxins in water. Algae such as Primnicium and Gymnodium produce toxin in water. This toxin kills fish and domestic animal which drink the water. So some algae, these two algae, Primnicium and Gymnodium, produce toxins in water, and this toxin kill fish and domestic animal which drink that water. Forms like Microcystis and Aphanisomnium and Anabina produce toxin substance, and in the water these algae grow badly affect in nervous system and causing depolarization of nervous and brain muscles. Some other algae like Anabina, Microcystis and Aphanisomnium, these algae grows badly on wet water and this water cause depolarization in nervous and brain cell. That means it causes change in brain cell and nervous cell. So it harmful for us and other domestic animals. Some algae produce endotoxin which causes paralysis in man and domestic animal. અમુક algae એવી હોય છે કે જે એન્ડોટોક્સિન પ્રોડ્યુસ કરે. એ એન્ડોટોક્સિનને લીધે મેન અને ડોમેસ્ટિક એનિમલમાં શું કરે? પેરેલાઇસિસ. Some algae causes trouble in digestion while some causes in respiratory disorder. Some parasitic algae attack plantation crops like coffee, tree and rhododendron, and it causes characteristic rust disease. Thus, they cause great loss of the economy and country. અમુક એવી algae હોય છે કે જે parasitic હોય છે. Parasitic means it depends on other plants or other things. For example, lichen or other organism. Some parasitic algae attack on plantation. What kind of plantation? Coffee, tea and rhododendron. Rhododendron is a plant which is found in Himalaya region. Parasitic algae છે એ અટેક કરે આવા પ્લાન્ટ ઉપર એન્ડ એ રસ્ટ ડિઝીઝ ફેલાવે. રસ્ટ ડિઝીઝ મીન્સ ઇઝ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇન શુગર કેન શેરડીમાં રેડ કલરના સ્પોટ્સ હોય. એ રેડ કલરના સ્પોટ્સ છે એ રસ્ટ ડિઝીઝને કારણે છે. એ વન ટાઈપ ઓફ આલ્ગલ ડિઝીઝ. એવા રસ્ટ ડિઝીઝ છે એ ટી, કોફી અને રેહોડેન્ડ્રોનમાં વધારે જોવા મળે. Algae, because parasitic algae attack on this plantation. Thus, they cause great loss of economy of the country. Substances formed by decomposition of algae in tanks interfere with the water treatment process. In tank, water tank, that is substances formed by decomposition of algae. For example, algae growth is present in water tank. The algae having other substances, for example, algal cell having mucilaginous substance, and these substances cause interfere in water, and water needs treatment. Efficiency of water filter at pumping station is reduced due to deposition of algae on the filters. The problem is acute during spring and summer season when the growth of algae is rapid. Efficiency of water filter. વોટર ફિલ્ટરના પંપમાં આલ્ગી છે એ ગ્રો થઈ જાય અને એ આલ્ગીના ગ્રોથને લીધે ફિલ્ટર થવામાં પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય. That is the reason that algae is deposited on the water filter and pumping station, and due to the deposition of algae the filter having problem. This problem is mainly found in summer and spring season because this is the season when algae is grow very rapidly. Species like Anacytic and Titophora causes corrosion of water pipes and boilers. અમુક સ્પીસીસ છે કે જે વોટર પાઇપ અને બોઇલર્સમાં શું કરે? કોરોશન. So these are the harmful roles of algae. Here is the control of algae. Following methods have been practiced to check the growth of algae. Cyanophages are selectively kills blue-green algae by causing death of their cells. So cyanophages are introduced to water. Bacteriophage, as you heard, bacteriophage as well as cyanophage. It is a type of bacteria. Cyanophages, this is the bacteria that kills algae, that selectively kill blue-green algae and causing death of their cell. It is selectively kills blue-green algae and it causes death of their cell. So where the water is contaminated with this blue-green algae, cyanophages is introduced in water to remove the algae. Crustacean and fishes eat algae as food and reduce their population. Hence, they introduce into water. Crustacean animal and fishes eat the algae as a food and reduce their population. Hence, they are introduced in water. Algicides, as the chlorophenyl dimethyl urea added to the water reservoir and tanks for checking the growth of algae. Algicide, as you heard about the pesticide. Pesticide is control for the pest, as well as algicide, which is control the algae, growth of algae. What kind of algicide? Chlorophenyl dimethyl urea is a type of algicide is added to the water. What kind of water? Which is tangent water, for example tanks, for checking the growth of algae. Water is made to circulate in the system to avoid colonization and rapid growth of algae. Water is made circulate to the in system to avoid colonization and rapid growth of algae. Swimming pools are frequently treated with dichlorophene and algicide to reduce growth of algae because swimming pool having water and it having stringent water. So swimming pools are frequently treated with dichlorophene and algicide to reduce growth of algae. The water blooms of algae can be checked by treating the water with enough chlorine. Water blooms of algae can be checked by treating the water with the chlorine. At pumping station and boilers, the growth of algae and bacteria is controlled by chemicals like chlorine, copper sulfate and dichlorophene. At pumping station or boilers, the growth of algae and bacteria is controlled by chemicals. What kind of chemicals? Chlorine, copper sulfate and dichlorophene. These chemicals reduce the growth of bacteria and algae in pumping station, in boilers and pumps. So these are the harmful roles of algae. Here we complete the first chapter. That includes ultrastructure of eukaryotic algal cell, life history of nostoc, life history of Batrachospermum, and algae causing disturbance in algae having some harmful roles. These are the topics of first unit. Here we complete the first unit.